Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to do second derivative. This one we can put like this. That means we need to do second derivative of y with respect to t, similar for this one. So the first thing we need to find first derivative of y with respect to t. So that is about this one. So this one that is about the constant. So you got number 0. This one we have cosine t. And now we go to second derivative of y. And that is about negative sine t. Now we can do similar for this one. This one we have number 1. This one we have negative sine t. And now we go to second derivative. So we have negative cosine t over negative sine t. So we simplify. And then we got about t equals to negative b over 4. So I will put this one gold here. So we calculate this one and we have negative number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.